Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and I'm going to show you how to fix no mobile data or 5G signal. When your phone has no cellular data, drops 5G signal or shows no service, you need to at first toggle the airplane mode on and force radio reset. Open the settings and here you are brought straight to the connections. Now in the connections, tap airplane mode and have it set for I would say 20 seconds. Then toggle it off. You should see in the top right corner LTE or 5G signal bars reappear in the status bar. And this is the radio reset. We now registered our serial radio and it forced the nearest cell tower to issue a first IP list to our device. Now we need to switch the network mode. Once we are in the connections, you need to open the mobile networks. Here we've got network mode. You need to change the setting from this 5G preferred to the LTE preferred and then back to 5G. Of course, between this switch you need to wait 10 seconds to see if mobile data connects over LTE. After switching back, you will re-establish a fresh 5G band connection. If it doesn't work still, you need to find network operators in the screen. Here, disable it automatically and you will find your network in a moment. Of course, it's only temporarily, so here wait till the scan finishes and here tap some network. I think it will fail because I've selected the wrong one. Let me reset my settings quickly. And after selecting the correct one, not the wrong one like I did, you should be able to enable select automatically back again. Unable to connect. Let me enable select automatically. And now we should be able to do everything. If it doesn't want to work, we need to go even deeper. We need to reset the APN names, access point names. IP names, access point names, yeah. So here, once we are in the mobile networks, tap APN, and here we need to tap this top right corner, reset to default, reset, and now everything should be working fine. The next step is cleaning the physical SIM or re-add the eSIM. When it comes to the physical card, you need to power off your phone and eject the SIM card tray using a SIM pin. So at first let's hold power and volume down buttons, power off, and here power off. Now bring back your SIM card tray opener and put this right into this hole. Once you put this inside, you need to use a little bit of force so that it will come out. I don't like the SIM card actually tray because it's so tough. No, we can remove it. And here we've got this contact, so you need to you need to clean this contacts with soft microfiber cloth, and then you should be able to put your SIM card back inside your phone. When it comes to the eSIM users, you need to remove the eSIM and then add it back into your phone. So now once you've got your phone turned on, we can go to the next thing, settings. Here in the settings, you need to go straight to the general management over here, and now we need to find the section called reset. Now in the reset tab, reset mobile network settings, and here tap reset settings. Draw your current pattern or just enter your password and everything should be fine. If it is not fine, you need to go up, open warranty and care, scroll down diagnostics, and here in the diagnostics you need to do a test. This is actually the last resort. Stop diagnostics And here we've got mobile network. Tap it, and now we've got normal. If it doesn't work for you, you need to contact device support. And if you still have normal and it doesn't work, you need to contact either the carrier or the device support. I mean, both of them actually. Bye!